The same Juan Carlos Agari Jr., who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 12202
Here.
for the offense of assault, family choking, strangulation on March 3rd, 2021 for a period of 3 years. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, violation of condition number 15. On or about the 12th day of May 2021 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Juan Carlos Agari Jr., did then and there fail to attend, comply with all rules, regulations, instructions, and financial agreements as directed by the court and or supervision officer and or the head of or authorized personnel of the following counseling education program, state-accredited battering intervention and prevention program, in violation of condition number 15.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. State will waive the remaining violations, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 15, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition 15?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition 15 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. That is to revoke the defendant's probation, adjudicate him guilty, and sentence him to 5 years TDC.
All right, so why should I give him 5 years? Because the complainant in this case is the same complainant that he has the new case on. And so why should I do this?
Judge, if we're speaking about this probation, this deferred adjudication, Mr. Geary was doing the things he was supposed to be doing at the time. He was enrolled in BIP. In fact, if you look at the records, I believe he did all but 4 classes of the BIP. But because of other circumstances, the MTR was filed on him, and he did not complete it. There was some other things going on in his home life and stuff. I believe had some family health issues and stuff, but he was doing the things he was supposed to be doing. He just didn't complete it because of the circumstances. So that makes him not a good candidate for probation. But I don't think to punish him in excess for something that's occurred after this probation expired is fundamentally fair on the original deferred.
No, I mean, because he hasn't learned anything. And I don't know what's happening in his relationships, but it doesn't appear he's learned anything. And I don't know why I should sentence him to just 5 years when he's been sentenced on assault family household member with a previous conviction, which means there's a previous conviction. And it's against the same complainant that he's on probation for. State, why should I give him 5 years?
It just seemed that in the best interest, considering, yes, it's the same victim, but for efficiency and judicial purposes for both cases to run concurrently together.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is finding 15 true. The court is going to grant the motion, find you guilty, revoke, sentence you to $1,000 fine, time and money run concurrent. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 011524. There's to be no contact with Anissa Gara. There's to be no residing in a household with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors, and the court is going to sentence you to 8 years in the prison. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, for the most
You
part.
do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is that as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence and a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're going to have to start making better decisions. Otherwise, you're going to find yourself in and out of somebody's prison, you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And your relationship with her is over.
Oh,
You
yes,
understand?
ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. All right.